the Project and Task Management Widget. This is an easy-to-use widget that will allow users to add tasks, assign them to people, and automatically generate the Gantt chart for their projects. To understand the working of the Project and Task Management Widget, we will add it to the main page by clicking on the Add Content menu option. In the dialog box, choose Advertising and Marketing drop-down and select the Project and Task Management Widget. We click on the plus sign to add it to the main page, or click on the pop-out button to open the widget in a new window. One can use the search button to search for a widget. Going back to the main page, user can also make a layout of his choice by clicking on the Page Layout menu option. In this dialog box, panels can be added, deleted, or resized, and once done, the settings can be saved. The layout is automatically generated, and the widgets on the page can now be dragged and dropped into the locations desired. Let us maximize the Project and Task Management widget by clicking on the Maximize button on the top right corner of the widget and understand its working. The essential part of the widget is the Add and Edit Tasks in Project button. Clicking on this gives a dialog box. Here, the user can add tasks by clicking on the plus sign. The user can enter the name of the task, description, percentage completion, the status, and the priority of that particular task. The status can be selected as in a drop-down as a planning, execution, test, on hold, or complete. There is a slider to easily set the percentage completion and the priority of the task. It can be assigned to one or two persons by clicking on the Assign button and selecting the person by clicking on the check boxes beside them. If we wish to add new persons to our list, we can add new persons by clicking on the plus sign in the Assign dialog box. The name, email address, phone numbers, country, zip, all information can be added. This person will now be visible in the list displayed and can be selected for the task. More persons can be added in a similar way. Estimates and Actuals tab allow user to enter the estimated and actual start and end date. The Comments tab will open a small word editor where comment related to the task can be added and formatted using the format options. There is an Others tab also, which allows the user to add content, video, and image URLs. We can edit the task added by clicking on the Edit button and make changes in the fields required and save the same. We will add two more tasks in a similar way to be able to actually see the working of this widget. But cutting short to the chase, we will see the three tasks have now been finally added. Once all the tasks have been added, this list can easily be printed by clicking on the Print button on the top right. This gives a standard print dialog from where the print command can be given. Once the tasks have all been added, we can click on the Update Project button. This will generate the Gantt chart. Let's go to the Gantt chart page and see the full picture of the project. The user can click on a particular task to get information about it. One can also edit the comment part using the text editor and save it. There is a drop-down on the top right of the page that allows the user to search based on the status of the task or the person it has been assigned to. For example, if we select execution as the search criteria, we will see only those tasks that are in the execution phase. In this way, we can search for different tasks in different phases. The Gantt chart can be viewed in a daily, monthly, or yearly mode depending on the user's requirement by selecting on the appropriate option. We can save the project with the desired name by clicking on the Save Project button. Existing projects can be opened, and we can select them and click on the delete to delete a particular project as well. Now let us click on the pop-out button on the top right to see how this widget will appear to the user when added to a website or a blog. In the pop-out, the entire Gantt chart is visible and gives the complete picture of the progress of the project. Add an edit button, task button is not visible here. Information about a particular task can be obtained. Search options and daily and monthly yearly views of the project can also be seen. But no editing is possible in this page. So going back to the main page, we are now ready to publish the widget using the options menu. We can either publish it to a website as a button, email it to friends, or publish it on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. When we publish to a website, a code is automatically generated that can be copied to the user's web page and easily incorporated into their website. In this way, projects can be easily managed and published to one's website or blog using this widget without writing a single line of code.